मैं अरविंदर कौर टंडन. I had problem in my knees, osteoarthritis, और राइट नी में थोड़ी ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम थी, इसलिए मेरे को डॉक्टर शुभांग अग्रवाल की रिकमेंडेशन दी गई कि उनके पास जाके आप ट्रीटमेंट करवाइए, क्योंकि मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स जिन्होंने यहाँ से करवाए थे उन्होंने बताया, और बहुत सारे डॉक्टर्स ने भी ये रिकमेंड किया कि ही इज़ अ गुड सर्जन. So I have got my knee surgery done, replacement done here on 1st October. और अभी um, I had a nice surgery. I was satisfied, and I'm not having any pains here, at least right now. Maybe under the influence of drugs or whatever painkillers they are giving right now. और मेरा स्टाफ के साथ I had a very good experience. The staff is very courteous and very compassionate here, and they're very prompt. The service is good. I like it. I had my physiotherapy done thrice a day, and they are of course very nice and very positive attitude, always encouraging. Overall, it's good. It's okay, and I highly appreciate and recommend that. It's a nice experience. I'm going satisfied today from here. Thank you so much.